If you ever feel like your personality needs a full reset, or you want to show the world a stronger, more confident version of yourself in 2026, then this video is for you. If you don't know me, my name is Ali, and I mostly talk about hair and overall personality. Let's get started without wasting any time. So, if you really want to transform your personality in 2026, you start with your physical presence. Because once your physical presence changes, your mental presence automatically upgrades, your confidence becomes stronger, your communication improves, and people respond to you differently. And when people respond to you differently, your entire personality evolves naturally. The first thing you fix is grooming, because it gives you an instant personality upgrade. When your grooming is clean, consistent, and intentional, you look more put together and people trust you more. You should start with a clean haircut routine. For that, choose a hairstyle that matches your face shape. Round faces look better with more height and structure, square faces look great with textured tops, oval faces can pull off almost anything, and longer faces look good with a balanced, fuller style. I recommend that you maintain your haircut every 2 to 3 weeks. Use hair products that match your hair texture, whether you need volume, frizz control, or shape. When your hair looks sharp, you carry yourself differently, you talk differently, you walk differently. Your skin routine is also very, very important. A simple morning routine with a cleanser, moisturizer, and SPF will make your skin look fresh. At night, I recommend cleanser, moisturizer, and retinol. This will help reduce acne, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Good skin instantly makes you appear younger, healthier, and more trustworthy. It tells people you care about yourself. I have made this detailed video on skincare routine with a sheet of all the mentioned products. You can watch this video. After that, you really need to fix your eyebrows and beard. I have seen many men ignoring their beards and eyebrows even more. You don't need to overdo it. Just cleaning the extra hair and shaping things slightly can increase your facial symmetry, which is proven to make you appear more attractive. Whitening your teeth also creates a huge shift. A brighter smile makes you look more confident, more successful, and more social. And again, people respond differently to you, which changes how you feel about yourself. Once your grooming is handled, start working on an aesthetic physique. Now, I am not talking about a bodybuilding physique or a crazy shredded physique. I am talking about an aesthetic baseline, a physique where your jawline is more visible because your facial fat drops, your body fat stays around 15 to 17%, your shoulders look broader, your neck is trained, and your forearms look strong. These small details give you a masculine frame that instantly upgrades your presence. Fitness doesn't just change your body, it really changes your personality. Research shows that people who train regularly become more assertive, less anxious, and more disciplined. Weightlifting increases testosterone, which helps you feel grounded and confident. Cardio increases energy, which makes you more social and expressive throughout the day. Even something as simple as a daily walk improves your posture and stabilizes your mood. Then you want to upgrade your style, because your outfit speaks before you do. In 2026, you need to choose a clear style identity. Maybe you want a clean, minimal look. Maybe you want an athletic look. Maybe you prefer a calm, old money aesthetic or a modern streetwear but mature vibe. Whatever it is, stick to it. Build your wardrobe around it. Use colors that match your skin tone. Warm undertones look great in browns and earthy colors. Cool undertones look good in blues and grays, and neutral undertones can mix both. Your signature outfit could be something simple like a neutral t-shirt, fitted pants, and clean sneakers. I recommend that you guys to add a watch. Accessories add personality without you saying a single word. Research shows people judge competence, status, and maturity within seconds based on clothing. And I want to make it clear that your clothes don't need to be expensive. They just need to fit well. They should highlight your shoulders and chest. They should be clean. And please, avoid baggy clothes that kill your presence. When you dress well, something called enclothed cognition happens. This means your outfit literally changes how you think and act. Suddenly you feel sharper, stronger, more competent. Now you fix your posture and body language because these influence how people see your personality even before you speak. Good posture can make you look up to 70% more confident, according to psychological studies. When you stand tall with a neutral spine and your shoulders slightly back, you instantly appear more attractive, more authoritative, and more balanced. Good posture also improves your breathing, your voice, and your energy. Start practicing slow movements. Slow movements show confidence. Stop fidgeting, shaking your leg, or looking down too much. Make sure to keep your hands visible because hidden hands create distrust. Maintain eye contact around half the time when you're speaking and around 70% when you're listening. Use slow, calm head movements and slow blinking. These signals tell people that you're confident and stable. To fix posture physically, strengthen your upper back, rear delts, and traps. Stretch your chest every day. Practice walking and sitting with a neutral spine. These small changes create a huge shift in how people perceive you. Next, you should rebuild your social skills because your personality is how you interact with people. I suggest starting with the 5-second greeting. Smile slightly, make eye contact, and speak in a relaxed tone. Talk slower and use a slightly lower tone. Research shows that deeper, slower voices are seen as more confident and more trustworthy. Remove fillers like and like. Learn a simple conversational flow. Say something, add a relatable detail, then ask an open question. Learn when to talk and when to pause, and match your emotional energy to the moment instead of responding too fast or too excited. Your voice is an underrated part of your physical personality. Studies show that people with deeper, controlled voices score higher in leadership and influence. Breathe from your diaphragm, slow down your speech, take intentional pauses, keep your volume steady, and practice reading out loud for 5 minutes every day. This really strengthens your vocal control. Posture improvements automatically deepen your voice because you breathe better. Then you upgrade your environment because your personality mirrors whatever surrounds you. If you keep spending time with people who complain, gossip, waste time, or live in chaos, you'll become the same. If you spend time with confident, disciplined, focused people, you start adopting their traits without even trying. There's something called the dominant personality transfer effect. It basically means you absorb the personality of the 3 people you interact with the most, so choose carefully. Finally, you rebuild your self-image. This is the internal transformation. Imagine the 2026 version of yourself. Picture how he walks, how he talks, how he dresses, how he enters a room, what energy he carries, and how people respond to him. This becomes your personal blueprint. Use something called the reverse gap method. Instead of thinking about how far you still have to go, think about how close you are to the next level. Replace unrealistic affirmations with grounded ones like, I handle everything calmly, I'm confident in my appearance, and people enjoy talking to me. And start acting like the new version of yourself before you fully become him. When your behavior changes first, your identity catches up. Watch my detailed skincare routine video here.